of the objectives of the Summit of the Future, which inter alia seek ways of enhancing cooperation and on critical challenges and building peaceful, just, and also inclusive societies, and to ensure the lasting protection of the planet and its natural resources, and move towards a reinvigorated multilateral system that can effectively tackle the challenges of today and tomorrow for the sake of humanity. Zimbabwe is of the view that the Pact for the Future captures our collective dedication to restoring trust and reaffirming the principles of the United Nations Charter with a view to promoting peace, security, and sustainable development across the world. These aspirations align with the priorities of the African Union Peace and Security Council and the SADC Peace Building Initiatives. Ladies and gentlemen, the current conflicts across the globe are stretching our multilateral system to its limit. Now, more than ever, we need to ensure that multilateral institutions are effective, multilateral institutions are fit for purpose, and responsive to the growing insecurity across the world. This will require significant reform of the multilateral system, particularly the United Nations Security Council, whose mandate, as you know, is to ensure that there is maintenance of global peace and security.